Hello vloggers, we're going on a road trip. Meet Craig.
I haven't been vlogged before.
Vlogging and driving? That's kind of scary. Left at 5:30 in the morning.
Grace slept a few hours.
Yeah, I was so excited to see the sunrise and I slept through the whole thing, plus another 2 hours. It's 9:30 and we're already in Grand Junction, almost to Utah. Craig has one of these things, so cops aren't catching us. We're winning here. How fast are you gonna go? I don't know, we'll find out. Oh my god.
It's 132.
132.
130. 35.
Cool. Oh my god. I've never gone that fast. We made it to Utah! We're standing in 2 states at once! Okay, we have some food for thought. Hey, that's kind of a play on words.
Yeah.
Craig thinks eating is embarrassing.
It is. I saw the tweet and it was like, why is eating in front of people so embarrassing?
I don't think it's embarrassing.
It is, because you're like stuffing food in your face. You know, like, don't watch me eat.
But I also feel like, oh my god, look how small that dog is. Oh. That's so tiny.
They're all friends.
We made it to Moab. Why are you nervous? Does this trespassing make you nervous? Ah. We can scream and no one can hear.
No, they can. Down there.
Oh. Hello! I'm coming. I don't know if I can do this with one hand. Oh wait, there's stairs.
What? Yeah.
I was like trying to just scale this.
Hello?
No.
Hold on to that rope.
Use the foothold, please.
Hi! Greg in the Corona Arch. How punny of us. Ironic? I don't know what the right word is. I don't get how these are made.
Wind.
Well, didn't
I say wind.
Maybe it's...
Maybe water.
Well, didn't this used to be underwater?
Some of it.
So then it was probably made by water.
Like
Like those?
Like, dogs don't care.
Look at the Dobermans.
They're gonna be like, you're filming our dog.
Craig, I think likes the dogs here more than
Look at
more than the kid. Ooh, he's cute. Wait, is that our friend from earlier?
Yeah.
Craig, he loves you. He loves you, Craig. Oh, he's just an explorer.
I would follow
Nature. Craig likes to talk to every single person that passes by, and I'm so here for it because we are now being led off-roading by these 3 vehicles. What is that, a 6-wheeler up front? The leader of the pack here was like, just go in between. He's like, follow this one car, they'll take the easy route so that he doesn't mess up his nice Range Rover. I was so stoked, kind of nervous. He goes, are you afraid of heights? I'm like, no.
No.
I'm like, okay, then you'll be set. What are we about to do here?
I need you to look over there.
Okay, you're good.
Oh no, that stresses me out.
What did we get ourselves into? How are you feeling right now?
Scared.
I'm scared! You said hard turn though, like.
Yeah, I am.
Ooh, you're close. Okay. Yeah. Okay. Oh yeah, we did it, baby. You think I'm so good? Everyone's in tricked out four-wheelers,
like,
Jeeps. The girl we're following has stickers on her car that says tactical martial arts. There's no tapping out. Like, look at all these people.
What? Really? No!
He goes, hey man, I wouldn't do it. You're screwed.
No!
What do you mean, like screwed? Like we're gonna fall off the cliff and die?
No, like screwed like I'm gonna hack up my car.
Oh. I mean, that would suck. But like, we're not gonna die, right? We decided to start hiking instead. This was the next turn. So, I'm glad I don't know where your car goes up this. How? So, we left it.
Yeah, you're right. I thought I made it up farther than others.
The poison spider. It killed us. Hey followers, we're out here. Arches National Park. It's sick.
It's just really perfect out.
It's perfect. It's 79 and sunny. The view. Snowy mountains. Hello followers, here on our way to Salt Lake City. It's a gorgeous sunset tonight. On the first hike this morning, Craig 5 minutes in goes, oh man, I forget that hikes are like exercise. You have to like work hard. Good for us.
It was tiring.
It was tiring. I got tired. We're excited to see some Mormon churches. It's actually gorgeous.
How did the Mormons get this place?
I don't know. They took
How
it.
did
They
they wind
snatched
up
it right up.
They kind of lucked out.
We're driving to go snowboarding at Snowbird, and look what Craig found. High School Musical, baby. That's so fun. East High. We're all in this together. Okay, I don't know anyone in that. I'm Sharpay Evans.
I'm Troy.
I'm out here trying to steal you
Obviously.
away from your woman. Go Wildcats.
Get your head in the game.
Get your head in the game. We made it to Snowbird. We're getting on the tram. We're not taking a warm-up run.
Such new of them gonna fall and
We're
embarrass
doing
myself.
this snowboarding thing again. This is my 5th state I have gone skiing or snowboarding in this season. And my 14th mountain.
Second mountain.
I don't think Minnesota really has mountains.
No, it's Skeeter Park City.
Oh,
Snowboarding.
so you have?
Yeah.
This year?
No.
Oh.
Like a while ago.
Okay,
That was
okay.
terrible.
Well, I've never skied in Utah before. Trying new things. We're waiting for the tram. Here she comes. A lot of people. The view is insane. How are you feeling?
So nervous.
Don't be nervous.
I hurt myself.
Yeah,
You won't have a ride back.
we're totally gonna fall. If you're not falling, you're not trying. It's gonna
Don't
be
embarrass yourself.
in front of whom? People you don't know? Who cares? I would say me vlogging in front of all these people is probably more embarrassing than you falling.
It's kind of funny.
I mean, let's be real. We made it! It's so pretty! You can see Craig's car from here. No, you can't. Hi followers, we're out here snowboarding in Snowbird, Utah, and it's a gorgeous day out here, and Craig and I are killing it. We ended the day on a black diamond Except for his sister told us that Utah doesn't decipher double blacks and regular blacks. So we really don't know what we did. Also, I did the park at the end and I did a box. Huge moves for the snowboard. Some random man cheered for me.
That's nice.
Yeah, it was cute.
I ate it. In front of kids.
There was a big mountain competition and we flew right through it and Craig took a little tumble in front of all the children that were like jumping off cliffs and we're like struggling to learn how to snowboard. Builds character.
They don't know me.
That's like what I said before, vlogging is more embarrassing than falling.
I don't think it is.
We're in Utah, so we had to. Cheers. Cheers. I don't think I've actually ever had animal fries.
Really? Good.
The double protein. I feel like it'll be good for me. We made it to Nevada for literally no other reason except to look at this sign.
Go.
This is the only reason.
Stop!
You're not doing this. We're going the wrong way.
Oh, I thought you were going.
Where did you think I was going? Just a little doo-doo-doo.
Just right off the road right here.
Just a little bit, Craig.
We're on the moon, on Mars. We've gone to so many Mars-looking places on this trip. I have to do this every time just to double check that they're not playing us.
What do you mean? Oh my god.
That tastes so bad. That's so disgusting. Wait, I want to take those out. I think I just got a cinematic experience, guys. I'm happy with everything. Lick the salt and make sure it's
No, I'm
real.
not doing it. It's gross. You can do that.
Make sure it's real. I already did it.
I really don't want to.
It kind of burned my tongue.
I'm not interested.
My tongue's still kind of burning. Oopsies. I always liked taking photos because it was like you could hold on to the moment forever. And then I read this book. Nope, I didn't read a book. I read a little blurb out of a book. They said the same thing, but then said that it's actually just a memory of a time that doesn't exist anymore.
Ooh, sad.
Isn't that sad?
Alright.
And like you can't go back to it because the past doesn't exist. And neither does the future.
So live in the moment.
So live in the moment. In a magical place, listening to my favorite song. Life's so good. 4 states in 3 days. This one is solely just a drive, but like, hey, we made it. Hello, followers. It's snowing in Colorado.
We out here. While that's doing that, I'm gonna make myself a chicken sandwich.
Make it.
Yeah, I'm gonna put sauce on it.
Oh,
Do you dip or put the sauce on?
I don't eat chicken sandwich.
Okay.
We're doing a food tour of all the best fast food restaurants.
Oh, we're vlogging? I didn't even know that.
We're vlogging.
Bro,
Welcome to my
I'm
podcast.
caught off guard by that.
My chit chats. Get it?
Yep, I get it.
Guys, I think I like the fries better than the nuggets. I also like wilty fries. And I think that I should start a segment in my vlogs called chairlift chats for every time I'm on the chairlift.
That's good.
Okay.
Okay. I'm gonna deal with that.
I'm almost home, bye. But it really crammed in the road trip. Craig is quite the multitasker. Any last words?
I had a lot of fun.
That's good. Me too. We're good at fitting so much in so little time.
Yeah.
I like people that can just go, go, go. There's so much to see and so little time to see it. We went on another hike in the snow. You can't see literally anything. This is Mount Sanitas. Killed it. Great way to start a Tuesday.
Till next time.
Till next time.